In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable TradingView dark mode. This is a quick way to reduce eye strain, make charts easier to read in low light, and give your workspace a cleaner look. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type in TradingView and look for the official result titled TradingView Track All Markets. Click that result to go straight to the site. If you're already on TradingView, you can simply stay on the page you're on. A quick tip: make sure the address shows the official tradingview.com domain so you know you're in the right place. Once the homepage loads, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a profile icon, typically a small user silhouette. Click that icon to open the quick menu. You don't need a paid plan for this, and you don't need to dig into deep settings. The appearance toggle is right here. If the menu doesn't open immediately, give the page a second to finish loading, then click again. Inside that menu, look for the option labeled Dark Theme. Click it once. You should see the entire interface switch instantly. The background, menus, and chart panels adopt a darker palette that's easier on the eyes, especially during evening sessions. This preference generally sticks to your current browser and device, so the next time you visit, TradingView should remember your choice automatically. If you ever want to go back to the light appearance, return to that same profile menu and click Dark Theme again. It works as a simple toggle. One click turns it on, another click turns it off. This is handy if you move between bright and dim environments or share your screen with others who prefer a different look. A couple of quick pointers to keep things smooth. Depending on your screen size, the profile icon might appear as a compact button, but it remains in the top right area. If you don't see the dark theme option right away, make sure you're on a standard TradingView page, not a pop-out or embedded chart, and refresh the page if needed. And while the site theme changes with this toggle, remember that individual chart styles and colors can be customized separately later if you want even more control over how your charts appear. That's all there is to it. Open TradingView, click the profile icon, and toggle dark theme on or off as you need. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more comfortable charting experience.